How to keep Android application running in the background or no closing. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can keep Android application running in the background without closing. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up settings in your device and make sure you have turned on developer option in the mobile device. After that, scroll down a bit, head towards the system. On the system, you will find your developer option, tap on it. Now on the developer option, there is one feature, so scroll down a bit and you have to search for this option on the app section that says background process limit. So search for it and then tap on it. After that, by default, you will have the standard limit set in your device. Now, in order to keep Android application running in background in your device, so here you can either go to at most 3 processes, and that means 3 applications will be running in your background. If you select at most 4 processes, then the at most 4 application will be running in the background. So from here, you can either go to 3 or 4. For now, we will just go with 3. And that's it. That's how you can keep your Android's application running in the background through the developer option. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.